In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ASUS VivoBook camera not working. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about multiple methods that you can use to fix any issues attributed to your ASUS VivoBook camera not working or not giving you any feed. So one of the simplest fixes possible is to actually check for any obstructions. Sometimes there might be a film or a sticker covering up the camera. So take a look, make sure that you try peeling it off, and if you are absolutely sure that there isn't anything obstructing the camera, then we can move on to some other alternative options. Look at your keyboard. Usually, ASUS keyboards will have a dedicated button that you can press to enable or disable the camera. They will have a camera icon, and usually it is going to be crossed over, which means that this button disables the camera usage throughout Windows. So all that you have to do is press this button, or usually Fn plus this button. So in this example here, on this model of laptop, it is going to be F10. So you can try pressing Fn plus F10, or even Shift plus F10. Just try making sure that this option is not in place. And as long as camera access is good to go and enabled, then you will be able to open any sort of app that uses your camera, like Zoom or Google Meet, and see if it works. If it is still giving you trouble, the next thing to do is the actual Windows settings. You can go over to Settings and then choose Camera on Windows 10, or look under Privacy and Safety for Windows 11. Make sure that this option is enabled, Let Apps Use My Camera, and you can check the individual permissions. Now, this will allow you to know if the problem is attributed to a specific program. So you can try opening any of these applications here and seeing if the camera is detected. But if you notice that a specific program does not get access to your camera, it could be a problem with that application instead. So try updating specific applications or checking the permissions for specific ones in this list. And as long as you ensure that there are no physical obstructions on the camera, you make sure that it is not disabled because of a physical button and that it is enabled in the Windows settings, you should be good to go to use your camera on any ASUS VivoBook. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix ASUS VivoBook camera not working. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.